Too many conflicting signals out there. What if you could see which currencies are real winners and ride them with a built-in exit tool? This strategy combines currency power meter plus Chandelier Exit to simplify trading. Currency power meter tells you which currencies are strong versus weak, so you trade the strongest versus weakest pair. Chandelier Exit uses ATR, average true range, to trail your stop, adjusting dynamically to volatility. Buy rule: if pair, strong currency on top, weak on bottom, and price is above the Chandelier Exit line, enter long. Sell rule: if pair, chart weak on top, strong below, and price is below the Chandelier Exit line, enter short. Stop loss is placed near the Chandelier line or recent swing. Use the Chandelier Exit as your trailing stop. Only risk 1.2% of your account per trade. And always look for confirmation, like a solid candle close beyond the Chandelier line, before entering. See strength, ride trends, and let volatility guide your exits. Head over to forexmt4indicators.com to download the free indicators and template for this strategy, and trade smarter today.